In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up shipping on Square. If you just created your Square account, you'll also want to start working on your settings and payment settings. If you're going to be selling physical items, then you'll need to set up your shipping rates and shipping settings as well. To get started, open your Square account and verify your email to make sure your changes are saved correctly. Once that's done, go to the home page. You can access it from the menu, and once you see the main menu, you're ready to continue. From here, scroll down and go to Settings. Then select Account and Settings. Once you open that section, scroll down until you find Fulfillment Methods or Fulfillment Settings near the bottom. You may also see other sections like Payments, Devices, and Notifications. But for shipping settings, go directly to Fulfillment. Click on Fulfillment, and once the page opens, click on Shipment. Once the page opens, go directly to Shipping Rate Profiles at the bottom. This is where you'll create the shipping profiles that determine how much your customers pay for shipping. You can create different profiles depending on your needs. For example, you can create profiles for domestic shipping, international shipping, or free shipping. Each one will be set up separately. When you're ready, click Add Profile. You'll now see several settings you can customize. The first option is the type. Usually, you'll keep this set to order. The other option is item. The order option applies the shipping setup to the full order, while the item option applies shipping per item. Next, enter a profile name. This is simply used to help you identify the profile later. You can name it something like domestic, international, or free shipping, depending on the setup you're creating. After that, choose the countries for the profile. You can either select a specific country from the list of countries, or choose Rest of World if you want the profile to apply internationally. If you choose List of Countries, click Add Countries and select the country you want to use. Once selected, the profile will apply only to that country. Now click Add Rate. Start by entering a rate name. After that, choose the rate type. You'll see options like Flat Rate, Free Shipping, Based on Order Total, Based on Number of Items, and Based on Weight Total. For this example, select Free Shipping, then leave the eligibility set to all orders. Once that's done, click Done. Finally, click Save to create the profile. Your first shipping profile is now set up. If you want additional shipping options, click Add Another Profile and repeat the process for international shipping or any other shipping setup you want to create. Thank you for watching.